In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma A quickly. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished, shareable web page in just a few minutes. Start by visiting Gamma and logging in or signing up. On your dashboard, select Create New to open a fresh project. Choose Generate with AI. If you're asked for a format, pick Website or Web Page. Gamma doesn't just build slide decks. It can generate a scrollable website-style page that feels like a modern landing page. Now tell Gamma what you want to make. Type a clear prompt describing your site's purpose and audience. For example, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency, portfolio website for a virtual assistant, or sales page for an online course. The more specific you are, like target audience, tone, and desired sections, the better your first draft will be. Before you generate, adjust the settings so the output matches your brand. Select a tone or style such as professional, modern, or minimal. Choose the length, short for punchy, medium for balanced, or long if you need detail. Pick a theme to set the overall look and feel. When you're ready, click Generate. Gamma will create a complete draft for you to review. You'll see core sections like a hero area, about, services, and a call to action, along with suggested text and a cohesive layout. Scroll through the entire page to understand the flow and make note of anything you want to refine. Editing is simple. Click any section to change text, add or delete sections, or rearrange the layout. Keep headings concise, body copy benefit driven, and calls to action clear and action oriented. Aim for language that reflects your brand voice. Next, customize the design. Update colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines. Add images, videos, or icons to bring key points to life, and fine-tune spacing and layout for readability. A clean, consistent visual style helps visitors scan and understand your message quickly. If you need more content, click the Add Card button to insert extras like testimonials, pricing, a contact section, or FAQs. Place these where they naturally support your primary message and reduce friction for your audience. Add links and buttons to drive action. Edit button text, such as Book Now or Get Started, and link them to your social media, booking pages, or specific products and services. After linking, quickly test each one to ensure it goes to the right destination. When everything looks good, publish. Click Share or Publish, generate a live link, and send it to your clients or audience. No coding is required, and you can come back to tweak and republish anytime.